House, I'm a realtor, and the owner is in another state.
Oh, you're renting it?
No, I'm not renting. I'm the realtor.
Oh, realtor. Sorry, I didn't know.
My brother Hank.
Is it okay if I put it on YouTube? I have a channel.
Yeah. And this is the door. So it was one of those things, get new hardware. Or...
Yeah. Oh, should I keep that? Okay.
These are the 3 keys. So I know that you can rekey, just change the combination of the 3 keys, and then also the password.
Oh, these ones work right now?
Yes, they do.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I can recut these if you want.
Yeah.
So they're different. Yeah. Or I can make new ones. Doesn't matter.
Whatever.
So when you cut them, it changes the code on. It changes the.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, recutting is fine. That's why I saved them.
Okay.
If that will work.
Yeah, I'll do one and then I'll show you how the other ones don't work and then I'll recut the other ones.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Perfect. Do you happen to know how to change? Well, you know how to change the combination.
Well, I'm sure we can figure it out. There's a manual somewhere for it. So, okay, you got this one, that one, and where's the other one?
I think it's just this one. It's one door, and changing the combination for this and the 3 keys.
Okay, you don't want to do that door?
No, I don't think so. I don't think it's.
No.
I guess.
He doesn't have access.
Let me see. Yeah, but if it matches this key,
Yeah,
then we should
does.
get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's these 2 doors.
Okay. All right, I'll get it done.
Thank you.
No problem.
You want me to
I'm already done.
All right, I'll take this one. It's painted on the door. There we go. All right. On there. Let's go rekey these. All right, so all I got to do is read their keys. I'll just read one of them. So while that's happening, I'm going to take one of these apart. Okay, we got our cuts. 25535. So all I'm going to do is basically make that a 7. Well, make this one. Here, we'll change the last 2. So we're going to go. Change 3 of them, I guess. 7, 5, 7. So we cut it deeper. So I changed 3 of the last 3 numbers. Cut. Now we're going to pin this to that. So I'm going to take the cylinder out. See, they're all flush. That's how the key works. Take out the last 3. We're going to open up our pins. We'll take this key out. And then we're going to do, we said it was 7. It's not normally how I do this, but I'm doing it one-handed, so. And then a 5. So now, this key should be those cuts. Should be flush. Perfect. And now with this key, I don't know if you can see it, not really. They should be too high. They're a little bit too high, and that will not allow the key to turn. So if there's another key floating out there, it will not turn in this lock. Put this back together. So this key works. Like I said, this key does not work anymore. Close it up. Pin up the next one. Put these back and we are done.
Talk to you when you're ready so he can give you the payment.
Okay. Does he have Zelle by any chance?
Sure, we'll call you again next time we have to go through this.
I appreciate it.
So I'm gonna tie you with him on a group text.
Say it again?
I'm gonna tie you on a group text. On a group text so that he knows.
Okay. But I'll recut them so that they work for you.
And then you set this one. Oh, very nice.
Alright.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
And then your programming codes are on here. I don't know if you know that or not.
Okay.
Should be on here. So that's your programming code, and that's your user code, and the other user code. Unless they were changed.
Yeah. Okay. So just go to you know how.
I need the booklet on how to change it or remember those. Have you changed this?
That happens, yeah. 5-bedroom home, guys. 2,900. Oh yeah, it's big.
It is. It's a very nice home.
Yeah.